Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open your Metamask extension or app and unlock your existing wallet. Confirm you are on the Binance Smart Chain network and not Ethereum mainnet. If needed, add the network manually using chain ID 56 and BSC RPC URL. Fund your wallet by transferring a small BNB amount or using a linked card. Keep at least 0.0005 BNB for gas to avoid failed transactions on BSC. Now proceed to the Swap tab to buy BNB using a built-in or third-party service. Open the swap interface and set your payment token as the input token in Metamask. Select BNB as the output token and enter the exact amount you want to receive. Check the price, minimum received, and estimated gas before proceeding. Set slippage tolerance to 1% if using a volatile liquidity pool or higher if necessary for larger trades. Review the estimated gas and total cost before confirming the swap in Metamask. Approve any token spending permissions when prompted by the wallet. Always verify the official BNB contract address before swapping to avoid fake tokens or rug pulls. Confirm the recipient address and double-check amounts before hitting confirm in Metamask. Wait for 1 to 3 confirmations and check the transaction on BSC scan after sending. If a swap fails, do not retry immediately. Inspect the error and adjust gas or slippage accordingly. Never share your seed phrase and store recovery seed offline and encrypted to protect your funds. Use hard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.